Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can merge or combine two or more PDF documents in the Drawboard PDF editor. So let us get started. So guys, for this method you will need to navigate to the home section of your Drawboard account and here navigate to all files. So if you're, for example, through the web version of the Drawboard PDF editor, what you will need to do is click into these checkboxes to select the documents you'd like to merge. Once two or more have been selected using that method, choose this option here on the right hand side, combine and merge. Wait for a moment. And then guys, you can add more files to merge this, for example, or confirm the merging by clicking into this button in the top right. And then your merged document will be ready to download, to be downloaded as a PDF file format. That's how it works, guys. As you can see, that's the merged version here. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.